Hi students, welcome to second year accountancy class. We are in the last fifth chapter, computerized accounting system. In my previous class, I have explained about features of computerized accounting like accuracy and speed, storage, scalability, user friendly, accessibility. These are all the features we have learnt in our previous class. In this class, we are going to discuss about advantages of computerized accounting system. As you all know that everyone in this world are using computers for many purposes. Normally for sports, for education, in hospitals, medical labs, kirana shops, supermarkets, shopping malls, games, animation, movies, music. In every field, computers are used widely. So you can guess why computers are used in various fields to such great extent. The only answer is because computers give a wide advantage in performing our job, in completing our task. So that is the reason computers are applied in every field. So to take the advantage of computers in the field of accounting also, we have started using computerized accounting system. That means what we have done, we have developed certain accounting softwares, accounting applications which were installed inbuilt into computers. So with the help of those accounting softwares and programs, we are able to do accounting job. Ultimately, what is an accounting job? You have to record the business transactions and you have to find out the result of the transactions what you have recorded. What do we mean by the result of the transactions? Like you have to find out the ledger balance of various accounts like debtors account, creditors account, cash account, bank account. You have to find out the balances. Then you have to find out, prepare trial balance to check the arithmetical accuracy of ledger balances. Then you have to prepare final accounts. Okay, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So for the effectiveness or say to improve efficiency and for further analysis, for in-depth analysis of our performance at higher level, you will learn about ratio analysis also. Okay, for financial accounting, we have got another subject addition called management accounting, in which we go for ratio analysis, comparative financial statements. Okay, all this we will do, that you will learn at graduation level and at post-graduation level. That also can be done with the help of computerized accounting. So whether you do it manually or with the help of computers, this is the process. First we have to record the entries, then find out the result of the business operations. So your process starts from journal, ledger, trial balance and final accounts. 4 steps are involved in accounting. So when these 4 steps are done with the help of computers, it becomes computerized accounting. So as we have got so many advantages with computerized accounting, now every firm is using computers or say computerized accounting in their accounting department. Okay, manual accounting is not there. Almost as in every class I am repeating, it is the digital era. Even government is also not accepting the offline, say the hard copies. Only one hard copy we have to submit, but before that we have to submit our reports online only. Even in college also, in the recent times we are taking bus pass also online and you are submitting your scholarship also online, and the data of the students we are sending to Board of Intermediate through online. So similarly, from every business organization regarding the sales tax, GST and income tax or other corporate taxes, government is seeking, requiring the information online only, that is computerized accounting information only. So that is the reason everyone is using computers. So apart from that, computerized accounting has got so many advantages. So today in this class, let us understand what are the advantages of computerized accounting. First one is accuracy. Okay, first one is accuracy. What do you mean by accuracy? Giving correct answers. Like when you calculate something, even to the decimal point also. For example, you have got a machine like 87,275 into 12.5%. Normally when manually you calculate, there may be something wrong with decimal places, some values, but computers will give you most accurate answer. Till the last decimal value also, you will be provided the value. Whether you calculate commission or you go for ledger balances, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these comparisons and giving the value, everything is done by the computers in a systematic and accurate manner. Means 100% correct answer will be given by the computers. That is the first advantage. Second one is automation. What do you mean by automation, ma? In common language also we use this automation word. Okay, automatic washing machine, automatic say gas stove, semi-automatic, automatic car, automatic flight. What do you mean by this automatic? Automatic means when a machine performs its task without the human intervention, it is called automation. Many of the times you buy fully automatic washing machine. What do you mean by fully automatic washing machine? In a normal washing machine, what you will be doing? You will be first soaking the clothes, you will be adding the washing powder, then you will be connecting all those taps and all, then you have to switch on, fix the timer, etc. Then again after some time you have to add some water, dry the clothes. So you have to intervene in between. That means without your involvement, under semi-automatic or say in ordinary washing machine, clothes are not washed. But you observe, if you are in your home, if you have got automatic washing machine or in your neighbor's home, you observe. You don't require your intervention. Simply put clothes into that machine, all taps are connected, add some detergent powder, switch on, it will set the time, it will take the required water, ultimately it will give you the almost dried clothes. Simply you have to just go and hang them. So it will have the stipulated time, that means without your efforts. Only thing is you have to begin the work. Remaining that taking of water, drying, everything is done by the machine. You take automatic Xerox machine, you put a copy, select 50 copies if you require, type 50. So till 50 copies are printed, it will be doing its work. That is called automation. Nowadays we have got automatic car also, driverless cars, because of the advancement of technology. Simply you fix the destination, it will take you. You need not apply any brakes or use steering, etc., etc. Everything it will take care. So in the recent times we have seen pilotless flights. So even the flights are flying without the pilot. The control is done from the ground. So this is what called as automation. Similarly, in computerized accounting system, majority of the work is done automatically. What is the duty of the accountant? Simply go for voucher entry. So your job is to enter the transactions with the help of various vouchers. If voucher entry is done, that means your first job is creation of company. You create the company, then create ledgers, then go for voucher entry. The ultimate next steps like preparation of trial balance, these are all called as reports, final accounts, ratios, everything will be given by the computer. These are all done by automatically by the computer. In a manual accounting system, you have to do this. First you have to record journal entry, then you go for ledgers, then balance them, then prepare trial balance, then prepare final accounts, then prepare various reports. It is to be done manually in a manual accounting system. But whereas in computerized accounting, your job ends here. The remaining process is done by the computer automatically. Whatever you want, just it is a click away. Just you go for reports, it will generate whatever you want. That is the advantage we have. Next, data access means we can see the information from anywhere, any person from anywhere. In a secured manner, the information can be shared or can be seen by different users of our organization. Then efficiency, because the computerized accounting provides you the accurate answer and it will help the employees to perform the job in a effective manner, and employee will never bored of doing the job. He can take quick decisions and we will have lot of information with us, so we can take proper decisions. With that, the efficiency of the organization will improve by the help of computerized accounting. Then fifth one, employee motivation. Many times I told you, employees are motivated when they are given the work according to their capacity, according to their skills, and when their work is appreciated, they feel motivated. So generally, the other day I told you, when any individual has got computerized accounting knowledge, definitely he has got weightage when compared to an ordinary employee. So the person who is required to perform on computerized accounting system must be trained. So definitely every organization will train their employees who want to work on computerized accounting system. So they will have some excellent knowledge, extra knowledge, additional knowledge, so which helps them to work hard, and they feel that yes, we are to some extent valuable employees to this organization. We are given the job of computerized accounting, so let us perform well. Such type of motivation comes to the employees. Then legibility. Legibility means neat, proper work. So whatever the numbers, numericals you type or the data you enter on computer screen, they look attractive and they look in a clear manner. Whereas in manual accounting, you see, most of the times we go for overwriting, errors, not writing the numbers and words in a proper manner. Lot of corrections will be there. So people may have some objections to go through that information, may not accept it. But the data provided through computers will have proper font size, proper numericals, proper words, no spelling errors. So such type of information is called legible. Then MIS reports. What is MIS? Management Information System. Management Information System means every individual, that means every manager in the organization should know what is happening in his department. So it is almost live information. So based on this MIS reports only, every manager, that means our superior, will take a decision and they can prepare various plans for the future course of activities. So with the help of computerized accounting system, the data can be shared. Every manager will come to know what is happening in his department. So that is how MIS reports will help. Then reliability. That means, in my previous class explained about this point. Reliability means believing about something. So when computers give you most accurate answers, as the correct answers are given by the computers, people will believe you. They don't doubt whether the answer is correct, addition is correct or not, multiplication is correct or not, balancing is right or not, trial balance total is correct or not. These type of doubts will not arise when we do the problem with the help of computers, because it gives you most accurate information on-time information. So computerized accounting system is very reliable. Then scalability. Scalability means changing the volume according to our requirement, according to our convenience. You can take data from one place to another place. You can enhance the capacity, volume capacity. The other day I told you, say you are now managing only junior college. You may be having the data of 400 students. So if you increase this capacity to a degree college, so you can store 1400 students data in the same computer. So the same accounting package will facilitate you to record more information. That is what called as scalability. Then speed. You know how fast computers work. Within fraction of seconds they complete the given task. Okay, as soon as you enter the data and just you click the enter button, that displays the answer. Whereas in a manual mode, you take lot of time for calculations and thinking. Though computers are developed by human brain is not as fast as computers. Because computers are machines, we have applied our technology, we have developed the techniques in such a manner that computers can perform a given task in fraction of seconds. Okay, so that is also one of the advantage. Then storage and retrieval, this also you know very well. Large amount of data can be stored into computers without any trouble. Then retrieval means taking back. Not only storing, but it helps you to take back also. It is very easy. As you are all knowing about smartphones. Retrieval means, say for example, just as you type the first letter of a person in the contact list, it displays all the names. So simply you can select whichever the name you want. You start typing the numbers. Suppose you want to dial some of your friends. So just dial one or two numbers, that displays. So you need not type the entire number. You need not type the entire name. So that is what called as retrieval, means getting back the information. Okay, these electronic chips will allow you to store large amount of data, and computer remembers the location of each and every file. So it becomes very easy to get back the information what you have stored. Then up to date information, this is also already you know. Whenever we are doing computerized accounting system, it is very easy to avail the up to date information, because every day it gets updated itself. Okay, you need not re-enter again and again. You can share that information to any branch, any department, any employee. So every individual working in the organization, government authorities can come to know about our organization in a up-to-date manner. Then visuals. Visuals means like slides, charts, okay, pictures. So you can see whatever the data you have entered and whatever the reports in different forms on monitor. Okay, so that helps you to observe the data in a proper manner, and it makes you attractive. Okay, not only just in the summarized manner. Suppose you write on the paper, normally it looks very ordinary. But when computerized accounting is done, all the reports can be shown with the help of different modes. Maybe in the form of tables, maybe in the form of charts. With the help of diagrams, you can use different graphics. Like that, it looks very attractive. That's how you can convert the data into various visuals. That is also one of the advantage we have got with computers.